Hi and welcome to another quick tip tutorial with Next Paradigm. Today I'm going to talk about the screen transition in Adobe After Effects. So let's get towards the After Effects. First I'm making a new composition of a standard size. Select 25 frames per second. Also, adjust the time and color and hit OK. At first, select the rectangle tool, and create a bit smaller rectangle at the half screen. Add the color of your choice to this rectangle. Toggle the properties of shape down. Open rectangle path. Off the link chain of size. In the beginning, add the keyframe. Then go to 20 frames forward and make the size 0. Now select both the keyframes, right-click, and time reverse keyframes. Copy the keyframes by hitting Ctrl and C. Then paste them at 2 seconds by pressing Ctrl and V. Again select all the 4 keyframes, right-click, and then go to Keyframe Assistant and Time Reverse Keyframes. Now it's time to ease all the 4 keyframes. After that go into Graph Editor and make graph like that. Again go into the Shape Layer properties. Go to Transform and set the rotation to -45 degree. Take the selection tool and place it in one corner. Ctrl and D for duplicating the shape layer. Cover all the screen with shape layers as I'm doing. We have our animation now like this. At last, to make it more innovative, zoom the layer panel to frames. And move all the layers forward to another to 2 frames like that. You can also add your choice color to all shape layers like that. You can preview now. Our animation looks like this. Don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and also watch other lessons related to After Effects.